Good morning, student. Welcome to class 12 biology class, unit 2nd, chapter 6, molecular basis of genetics, in which we are reading about genetic coding. All the informations of a particular species are coded in the DNA molecules in 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. DNA transcript to form the messenger RNA molecules, in which thymine base of DNA is replaced by uracil base of the messenger RNA. So in DNA molecules there are only 4 bases which can code for 4 amino acid only, but protein have at least 20 amino acids. So these 4 bases are not sufficient for 20 amino acids. DNA express itself after the formation of proteins. Some proteins act as enzymes to regulate metabolic activity. Proteins are the building block of every living being. If these nitrogenous bases are found in the duplicate form, 4 into 4, then they code for 16 amino acids, which is not sufficient for 20. If they are found in triplet form, 4 into 4 into 4, then they form code for 64 amino acids, which is more than sufficient. Out of these 64 amino acids, some are the initiation codons, some are termination codons, and some are the nonsense codons, which don't code for any amino acids. So this type of combinations will be formed if they are found in triplet forms. So these are the bases of messenger RNA: uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine, and its other triplet: uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. By combining these, you can form the base pairings like U, and U. Now come on the second column. First base is C, U, C. C, U, U. C, U, C. One base from here, one here, and one from here. Again, C, U, A, third base, and C, U, G. These different codons code a particular amino acid. Some codon codes more than one amino acid, and some amino acids are coded by more than one codon, like CUU, CUC, CUA, CUG. They code for the amino acids. Leucine, amino acid leucine is also coded by UUA, UUG. In this way, you make the 64 combinations or 64 codons, like in second column: C, C, U, C, 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 A, C, C, G. So triplet codons form the 64 combination or 64 codons, which are more than 20 amino acids. Any of the proteins contains at least 20 amino acids. Properties of genetic codes. Codes are triplet, these are combination of 3 nitrogen bases. Codes of the modern genetic code comprises of 3 nitrogen bases of messenger RNA in a specific sequence. Codes are commaless, means there is no comma or gap between bases. They are written in a straight way without using comma between the adjacent codons. That is, each code is immediately followed by the next codon with no intervening space or letter for comma. Codes are non-overlapping. Initially, it was disturbing for some scientists to think of degeneracy in connection with genetic codes. Therefore, a triplet code with overlapping sequence was suggested. Under the overlapping triplet code, the number of codons could be reduced to 20, but evidences have been gathered in support of non-overlapping codes. Means there is only one combination of 3 bases. It is not repeated. Code ambiguity. Codes are always non-ambiguous. It means that a specific codon always codes a specific amino acid in all organisms. For example, UUU codes phenylalanine in all the living beings. Codon degeneracy or code degeneracy. According to the triplet codon, there are more than one codon for an amino acid. It is called degeneracy of codons. For example, amino acid serine coded by 3 codons: UCU, UCA, AGU. Likewise, leucine by the codons CCU, CUC, and UAA. Codes are universal. The same genetic code is said to be present in all kinds of living organisms, including virus and bacteria. Connectivity of DNA and messenger RNA. The sequence of nitrogen bases in DNA and messenger RNA is always complementary. Again, the sequence of nitrogen bases in messenger RNA show a relationship with the sequence of amino acid in polypeptide chain formed from it. So this relationship is called correlatory of DNA and messenger RNA. There is only one change in place of base thymine of DNA, there is base uracil in messenger RNA. Discovery of genetic code. A short history about the discovery of genetic codes. After discovery of genetic code, the problem of breaking of genetic code, that is to find out which triplet code stands for which amino acids arises. first major breakthrough in the study of the triplet discovery came in 1961 when at the 5th International Congress of Biochemistry in Moscow, young biochemist Marshall W. Nirenberg reported his experiments on protein synthesis in vitro, in artificial medium. His result amazed the scientific world. He had made the breakthrough which led directly to the disappearing of codes. M.W. Nirenberg and his co-workers J. Heinrich Massey took an artificial RNA in their experiments with only one type of base uracil. The RNA was thus R-poly-U. These scientists got success in synthesizing a protein containing only one type of amino acids, phenylalanine. According to Nirenberg and Massey, addition of poly-U resulted in the incorporation of phenylalanine. Poly-U appear to function to code for phenylalanine. UUU thus became the first word codon to be discovered in the genetic dictionary. Since then, large number of artificial RNA polymers have been synthesized containing every possible combination for the 4 bases. They have been tested in vitro for their ability to synthesize protein. The work of H.G. Khorana, Hargobind Khorana, and his co-worker at the University of Wisconsin has been very useful in this direction. By the end of 1968, the total assignment of 64 triplet codons was completed. Amino acids and their corresponding triplets you have seen in the table already. These amino acids would be coded by these codons, like the alanine coded by codons GCU, GCC, GCA, GCG, arginine by CGU, CGA, CGG, AGA, AGG, CGC. It means one amino acid can be coded by many codons, or one codons may code for more than one amino acid. Chain initiation out of 64 codons, some are initiation codons and some are the termination. Initiation codon which start the adding of amino acids, and termination codon which stop the adding of further amino acids. The codon present in the beginning of the cistron is called initiation codon. Cistron is the functional unit of DNA or meant for protein synthesis. The initiation codon is AUG in majority of cases, and it code for amino acid methionine. In the majority of living beings, AUG is initiation codon and methionine is the first amino acids to be coded in the polypeptide chain. In the same way, the last codon of a cistron helps in reading the termination of polypeptide chain. This is called termination codon. There are 3 termination codons: UAA, UGA, and UAG. Uracil, adenine, adenine, uracil, guanine, adenine, and uracil, adenine, guanine. Earlier, when the function of these codons was unknown, these were called nonsense codons. The initiation and termination codons are known as single, and this phenomena is called punctuations. It helps in delimiting the different cisterns on a polycistronic messenger RNA. The signal or spaces do not occur between the codon of a message, but initiate and terminate larger section of the message between the functional genes. These particular triplets are recognized by two special transfer RNA that carry no amino acids and prevent further growth of the polypeptide chain. Now the protein synthesis. Protein biosynthesis. All the information regarding a particular species is enclosed inside the DNA molecules in coded forms, which are transferred from one generation to other generation or parental generation to offspring generations. But how these informations or these coded informations express themselves in offsprings? So they express themselves by the protein synthesis. As the proteins are a structural component of all living beings, as well as proteins are the biochemical regulators, or they are responsible for biochemical reactions occur inside the living cells in the form of enzymes, cofactors, and other biomolecules. Proteins are giant molecule of almost biological importance. Between these are not only form the building material of the cell, but also act as enzyme controlling all the biochemical reactions going on in a living system. Chemically, proteins are polymer of amino acids. Amino acid molecules are linked together in a linear fashion, forming a long polypeptide chain. These amino acids are joined together by means of peptide bond. Peptide bond, a bond formed between amino group of one amino acids and hydroxyl or carboxylic group of other amino acids. Amino group of one amino acids and carboxylic group of other amino acids. The bond formed between amino group of one amino acids and carboxylic group of other amino acids is called peptide bond. Protein synthesis therefore includes arrangement of a definite number of amino acids in a definite sequential order. This sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain is determined by the sequence of nucleotide in the polynucleotide chain of DNA. A sequence of 3 nitrogenous bases in DNA code for one specific amino acid of the polypeptide chain. This is called triplet code. The genetic information present in DNA are first transformed into RNA. RNA translates these informations into the language of protein and carries it from nucleus to cytoplasm. This transfer of genetic information is called as central dogma. Central dogma means DNA to messenger RNA and messenger RNA to protein. in some organisms which contain RNA as genetic material, they have to reverse transcription, means RNA first transcribe to DNA, then DNA form messenger RNA and messenger RNA proteins. This is called reverse transcriptions. Central dogma are flow of genetic information on the basis of results obtained from various molecular biological experiments. This has been conclusively proved that the genetic information present in DNA are expressed in the form of sequence of amino acids in enzyme or protein molecules. In this course, the genetic information contained in DNA are first transcribed to RNA. RNA translates these information into the language of protein and thus carries the information from nucleus to cytoplasm. DNA is present in chromosome. Chromosomes are found in nucleus of the cell. The DNA transcribed to form the messenger RNA, which is squeezed out from the nucleus and enters to the cytoplasm, where it remains free in cytoplasm or attached with ribosomes. According to codons present in DNA, messenger RNA is a copy of DNA. These codons will code for which amino acids. Accordingly, messenger RNA give this message to transfer RNA to collect amino acids from the cytoplasm and then sent to ribosomes. In ribosomes, ribosomal RNA or rRNA build these amino acids in sequential orders to form a polypeptide chain. This transfer of genetic information from DNA to protein is known as central dogma. Thus, central dogma of molecular biology is the flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. Flow of genetic information may follow three pathways: unidirectional flow, means this type of pathway was proposed by F.S.C. Crick in 1958. He proposed that flow of genetic information from DNA to protein is always unidirectional, means it is from DNA to messenger RNA and messenger RNA to protein, involving two chemical processes, transcription and translation. Circular flow. Barry Commoner 1960 proposed that flow of genetic information may follow a circular pathway from DNA to RNA, RNA to protein, and again from protein to RNA and DNA, but it is not recognized by scientific words. Reverse or inverse flow. In this type of flow of genetic information come to RNA from DNA and again it reaches to DNA from RNA. It was reported by M. Temin and D. Baltimore in 1971 in retroviruses, a tumor virus. In this virus, RNA is found as the genetic material. It sends DNA inside the host cell with the help of enzyme reverse transcriptase. The process of formation of DNA from RNA is known as reverse transcriptions. So, reverse transcriptase is a RNA-dependent DNA polymerase enzyme. After the name of discoverer, reverse transcriptions is also known as Teminism and Baltimore phenomena. That virus is a kind of retrovirus. Important components of protein synthesis. The protein synthesis is a complex reaction many components and structures play important role in protein synthesis, like the DNA. DNA carries is present in genetic material. It contains all genetic information for the synthesis of protein in its nucleotides. DNA is a polynucleotide chain. Messenger RNA. Messenger RNA carries genetic information from DNA of nucleus to the cytoplasm. Transfer RNA or tRNA. It picks amino acids from the cytoplasm and carried it up to ribosomes. Ribosomes are known as protein factory of the cell, where synthesis of protein takes place. Ribosomal RNA, which is found in ribosomes, it is required for the formation of ribosomes. Ribosomes is the protein factory of cell. Manganese ions as cofactors essential for the association of ribosomal subunits in eukaryotic cells. Ribosomes are 80S type, which have two subunits, 60S and 40S. Amino acids, a structural unit of proteins. Amino acids are a structural unit of proteins. Enzymes, like the RNA polymerase for the synthesis of messenger RNA from DNA. Amino acid synthetase. Amino acid synthetase. Methionine transferase, translocase, transformase, various factors like IF1, IF2, IF3, EF, RF, etc. And energy source, ATP and GTP, adenosine triphosphate and guanosine triphosphate. GTP is mostly found in muscular tissue. Now the mechanism of protein synthesis.